Hello everyone, myself Dilip Udani, and today I will teach you this topic, that is comparison, joining and formatting of string. First of all, we will see comparison of string, then after joining of strings, and finally formatting of strings. So let's start. See, first of all, we are going to see comparison of string. That is this topic, comparison of string. We can use comparison operator, that is less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, and equality operators, that is equal to, not equals to, for strings. Comparison will be performed based on alphabetical order. For example, S1 equals to input of enter first string. S2 equals to input of enter second string. Now here we are checking whether the two strings S1 and S2 are equal or not, whether S1 is less than to S2 or not, and finally S1 is greater than to S2 or not. If S1 equals to S2, then print both strings are equal. And if S1 is less than S2, print second string is greater. Else print first string is greater. I will make you understand this example with the help of output. See, here is the output. First of all, enter first string. Say user has entered the first string as Arman. Then after enter second string. Say the user has entered the second string as Arman. Now you can see that the both strings are same. So what will be the output in this case? That is both strings are equal. Now enter first string. Now say user has entered the first string as Arman. Then after enter second string. Now say the user has entered the second string as Lucky. Now here the comparison of first letter capital A will be done with the first letter capital L. In Python, every alphabet has Unicode value, and the Unicode value of A is less than B, B is less than C, and so on. So here the Unicode value of A, that is less than the Unicode value of L. So definitely what will be the output in this case? That is second string is greater. Now enter first string. Say the user has entered the first string as Daria. Then after enter second string. Now say the user has entered the second string as Arman. Now the Unicode value of capital D will be compared with the Unicode value of capital A. Definitely the Unicode value of capital D is greater than the Unicode value of capital A in Python. So the output is first string is greater. Now I will show you the output of this program in PyCharm. See, I have written the same program over here. I will just run this program. Click on this run button. Enter first string. Say Arman. Enter second string. Say again Arman. So what will be the output in this case? That is both strings are equal. If I will just run this program once again, enter first string, say Arman, enter second string, say Lucky. So what will be the output in this case? That is, second string is greater. You can see that the Unicode value of A, that is less than the Unicode value of L. So definitely we have output as second string is greater. Similarly, you can check the last case by yourself. Now we will see next topic, that is joining of string. We can join a group of strings, list or tuple with respect to the given separator. How? I will just make you understand. See, we have s equals to separator. It may be anything, underscore, star, whatever it may be. Then after this dot, then after join, and in parenthesis we have to write down group of strings. For example, T equals to, in parenthesis, we have taken Arman, Lucky and Daria. S equals to, in single quotes, we have taken this separator, that is dash, then after dot, then after join, and T we have group of strings. So print S will give us output as, first of all, Arman, then after this symbol, that is dash, then after Lucky, again we have this separator, that is dash, and finally Daria. If we will just write down star over here, then we will be having star separator over here, again we will be having star separator over here. You may use any separator. Now I will show you the output of this program in Python. See, I have written the same program over here. I will just run this program. Click on this run button. Now you can see the same output as discussed with you, that is Arman. This one is a separator dash. Lucky, again this one is a separator dash, and finally Daria. Now we will see next topic, that is formatting of string. We can format the strings with variable values by using replacement operator. This is the replacement operator and format method. So whenever we have to format the string, we will use replacement operator and format method. For example, here we have taken variable name, and in variable name we are going to assign name, that is Arman, and here in the variable salary we are going to assign this int value, that is 1 lakh, and in the variable age we are going to assign the value, that is 24. Then after this print statement, that is print. Now this is the replacement operator, apostrophe s. Salary is, again we have this replacement operator, and his age is, again we have this replacement operator. Don't forget to write down these double quotes. Then after the format method, that is dot format name. So in first replacement operator, name will be assigned, and what is that in this case? That is Arman, and then after apostrophe s. So we have Arman's salary is. Now in this replacement operator, the value of salary will be assigned, and what is that? 1 lakh. So over here we will be having 1 lakh, and his age is. Now in this replacement operator, the value of this variable age will be assigned, that is 24 in this case. So finally for this print statement we will be having output as Arman's salary is 1 lakh and his age is 24. Now, instead of writing only these replacement operators, we can assign indexes start from 0 onwards also. For example, print, and in this replacement operator we have written 0, then after in this replacement operator 1, and then after finally in this replacement operator 2. So 0 it will take as name, and name that is nothing but Arman. Similarly 1 that is nothing but salary, and that is 1 lakh, and 2 that is nothing but age, and that is 24. So again this print statement will give us the same output, and that is Arman's salary is 1 lakh and his age is 24. So finally the output is for first print statement without using indexes in replacement operator, that is Arman's salary is 1 lakh and his age is 24, and if we will use indexes in replacement operator, then we have this output, that is Arman's salary is 1 lakh and his age is 24. Now I will show you the output of this program in Python. See, I have written the same program over here. I will just run this program. Click on this run button. Now you can see the same output as discussed with you, that is Arman's salary is 1 lakh and his age is 24. So in today's lecture we have seen comparison of strings, joining of strings, and finally formatting of strings, and we have seen examples based on these topics. Thank you for watching this video.